Scientists in the SWPC have noticed that a hole in the surface of the Sun, which has opened this weekend to release a high-speed flow of action. A solar storm alarm is in impact for Tuesday, April 10th and Wednesday, April 11th, the U.S. Space Weather Prediction Center, SWPC, cautioned.
The agency said, a G1, minor, geomagnetic storm watch has been issued for April 10th and 11th 2018 due to the arrival of a negative polarity coronal hole high-speed stream. The storm's strongest impacts are expected to be felt across Tuesday and Wednesday, primarily poleward of 60 degrees geomagnetic latitude.
People have been warned to expect weak power fluctuations and minor impacts on satellite operations.
The SWPC added, or may be visible at high latitudes, that is, northern tier of the U.S. such as northern Michigan and Maine.
The gigantic coronal hole in the Sun's surface was captured today by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO.
Coronal holes like this occasionally open up in the burning star's magnetic field, releasing large amounts of charged particles and solar winds. When solar winds slam into Earth, they are known to interfere with electronics and communications.
Airplanes are also at a particular risk if the onboard apparatus is interfered with, but thankfully the predicted storm is too weak to cause any havoc. The SWPC classifies G1 storms as minor ones and are typically associated with the northern lights.
A geomagnetic storm would have to reach G4 severe or G5 extreme on the official SWPC intensity scale. Right now, the most prominent effect of the solar storm will be the presence of the aurora borealis northern lights across parts of the United States. A solar flare is an intense burst of radiation coming from the release of magnetic energy associated with sunspots.
BBC weatherman Matt Taylor explained, "The Sun is of course not a solid object, fluctuations on that, solar flares off that, so that sends highly charged particles right through the atmosphere towards us.
As it reaches out atmosphere, it interacts with the oxygen and nitrogen molecules, and that is what causes the colors.
It gets them excited basically, causes a little bit of a tickle, and they shine different colors of light, the greens and yellows when it's oxygen and the reds and purples when it's nitrogen. Charged particles from the Sun excite oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere to paint the night skies various hues of red, green, blue, purple and yellow.